What's up guys, it's Mourne here, giving you guys a little bit of a brief channel update on what's going on, what the road's going to look like ahead. So obviously I'm going to keep posting the MotoVlog videos, and I'm going to actually branch out a little bit more. So alongside with the gaming videos and MotoVlog videos, I'm going to be posting mechanic videos and how-tos on how to work on a 2019 Sportster Iron 883, and just videos on what's going on in my life outside of this. I'm going to branch out a little bit more and try to spread my wings on YouTube and see what can come from that. I've got a bunch of parts for my truck, and here's a picture of the truck, by the way. It's an 89 Toyota pickup. I've had her for years now, and I'm actually planning on doing a series of videos of rebuilding the front end on it. She's perfectly fine, everything is good. I'm just redoing the suspension on the front because it's all worn out, and I figured why not make a video out of it. I've also got a bunch of friends that are picking up some games now, and we're all playing together, so I'm probably gonna keep streaming those, but I'm also gonna record them so you guys can watch them here on YouTube and react to the funny moments. I'm planning on moving out here soon too, so once I do, you'll probably see more often uploads and just better quality content to come. I'm hoping that with the move I can get better internet so I can stream more regularly and not have to worry about latency and all those issues that I've been having while I'm streaming at home. So we'll see what everything looks like on the road to come, but just a little bit of an update to keep you guys posted. So I'm not dead, and the channel is still going to be alive, and if anything, it's going to be more active here soon. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and please feel free to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you. Goodbye.